After weeks of uncertainty, fear, and legal chaos, the Trump administration finally reversed its controversial decision to cancel thousands of visas for international students. This abrupt about face came after intense court pressure and widespread judicial condemnation. For weeks, students had faced sudden visa terminations, often for minor faults like a traffic violation, something as not stopping at a stop sign, or at times no stated reason at all. Thousands were left bewildered, their futures painted with no clear path forward. During a federal court hearing in Washington, the Justice Department announced that Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, would pause any further visa cancellations linked to minor or dismissed legal issues. A government lawyer, Joseph F. Carelli, explained that ICE was working on a new review system. He said that until this new system is in place, agencies would not proceed with revocations of SEVIS, which is the Student and Exchange Visitor Information Record, terminations based solely on the criminal history checks. These SEVIS records, used to monitor international students, had been at the heart of the chaos. The policy change followed over 100 lawsuits filed by affected students. Judges in more than 50 of those cases across 23 states issued temporary orders halting the administration's actions, describing the mass terminations as likely illegal. 2 days ago, a federal judge in Georgia ordered the temporary restoration of SEVIS records for 133 international students, of which a significant number were from India. The Justice Department accepted that the policy shift would apply broadly, potentially offering relief to thousands still caught in legal limbo. What sparked this entire episode was a sweeping move by the Trump administration earlier this year. Initially, students involved in pro-Palestinian campus protests were targeted. That triggered a legal pushback, but later ICE expanded the cancellations, this time ensnaring students even with minor misdemeanors and disproportionately impacting students from India and China. More than 1,200 international students have had their visas revoked since late March. Indian students in particular found themselves at the center of this crisis. As one of the largest international student communities in the United States, they were hit badly. Many had already been struggling with shifting visa rules, delays, and rising costs due to global tensions. Families back home in India are in a state of panic. Students who had spent building their academic lives in the United States now face the possibility of being sent home days before graduation or completing their research. For many, the cancellation notices arrived with no clear explanation, only bureaucratic language and the threat of immediate deportation. Some students, fearing detention or prolonged legal fights, left the United States voluntarily. Others, like a graduate student from Cornell, gave up their legal challenges entirely. It's still unclear how many have been forced to leave. In court, the government confirmed that any service records affected by these terminations would remain active or be restored. ICE also stated it would not alter any student's record again based solely on a flagged infraction until the new policy was finalized. Although neither ICE nor the State Department offered any immediate comment, the administration's retreat under legal pressure was widely seen as a significant, if overdue, win for international students and their universities. From an American perspective, with a record 11 lakh foreign students in the country, contributing approximately $44 billion annually to the US economy, the stakes are not insignificant. At the moment, however, the legal fight continues, with class action suits still pending. But for now, students seem to have some room to breathe.